Land that we love, our sweet, sweet Sierra Leone. Without wasting any time, we can start the program proper. And that's why I go bring in we panelists them for Telfambul and Cabo and Kushe. That's why I go start with you, Senesi Brahma. Yes, Senesi, you can Telfambul and Adu.
Fambul and Adu mean Senesi Brahma, live from Paris. We can come to every Saturday. For just see Kushe and Cabo. Thank you.
Well, on behalf of the people, let me tell you Kushe and Cabo. And I shall go bring Aaron Rashidin straight from New York. Make it tell Fambule Madu.
Yeah, Fambule Unadu, Mina Aaron Rashidin from New York. Welcome back to this program today. Welcome everybody whosoever you listen. God bless you all.
All right, thank you very much, Aaron Rashid. And on behalf of the people, Naso, Mr. will tell you Cabo. We find out say a lot of people can call, we can upload on YouTube for take part. So if na YouTube you dey listen from right now, please no say na just a repeated show you dey listen, not to a live show. If you want to join the live show, make sure say every Saturday 2 p.m. Eastern time, you join we na Sierra Network Radio. How you go get Sierra Network Radio? You can get them by log on to the website we na www.snradio.net, or you download the app na the Google Play Store. Go na the Play Store, search for Sierra Network, and you go meet and they wait for you. Thank you very much. And on what happened during the week? This is not the program where they come every weekend on Saturday, and we can deal with all the things that we don't happen during the week in a saloon. And this week from last Saturday will be there to date. This is not the thing that will happen. On Monday, we saw President Bill assure support to the police and wife. The wife them for them police them because if they go turn dirty, then get a new building within the bill. So now they will go, now they address them. Over the weekend also, we be see the president be go na in hometown, na Bonto district. He go finding people them. He do a hometown visit and everybody be glad for him. And also, he be tell them good word and tell them plenty thank you for all waiting they don't do. On the same Monday, we suicide the first batch of the people that we go Hajj. We then be give them farewell, then talk to them fine, and inside they will be get for land say na 800 na slot na salon can get, but this trip because of one thing will not lead to another, it be get for be 828, and we side the vice president talk say next year, then they rally now for make next year, then go get 1,500 space for go Hajj from Sierra Leone. And on Tuesday, we saw everybody commemorate the 1 year where that mudslide be happen, where a lot of lives then be lost, and we see how the president been good there, and then declare say that place they don't declare as a monument. Even though up till now, the last government have been declared monuments, will not be seen and do anything. We just hope say this particular government now go come and it go can do something where it can able for make the people them where they lost their life there, because plenty man believe say some man still they under the dirty under where they not be able to see them, but they can able to rest well and people then go respect the space. And on Tuesday, we saw Wafu win at the West African Football Union, then come Salon, and they say then they do a tour because they want for hold the competition at Salon. Then be able to go the day one, then go Bo, then go also then go the other day, then go McKinney. We still say during the week again, this is the same Tuesday, President Bill and the Canadian Minister for International Development, then they meet, then we get good talk the way they talk inside there. We just they hope say at the end of the day, all them good thing and the way they talk, it go able for come to pass. And also we saw President Bill talk to the Sierra Leoneans and say ready for commit to transparency and accountability. he reaffirmed to the people and say, he ready for show everything about in government. On the same Wednesday, we see lots of press release. The press release here get for do with IAMTEC, we then a tertiary body, but Jala begin them some, because of the space which Jala not get, then begin some courses for let IAMTEC they do, but it's going to be accredited by Jala. So this being said now, the Tertiary Education Commission say, then find out say IAMTEC they call themselves IAMTEC University, and they say they not recognize them as a university. So make them left for call themselves that name day. So we see one press release after the other way they bang themselves. During this week again, we see Sierra Leone police where they say that they exercise zero tolerance on curbing drink driving. And they get breathalyzers them. They say they go with na tongue. They do spots just unannounced check, and then we find out say them be able to catch like, I think Eastern police then catch like 5 drivers will be drunk. Now, so they say catch 5 drivers will be drunk. And during the week again, we see what happen. Now, McKinney, then catch about 150 to 200 5 gallons, so then he call batapa mine, na salon. Then catch them, the police then are McKinney with a tip, then catch them people there, they use coloring. Then they use coloring pandi pamine, the masanke. Then get masanke, but then they mix it with coloring so that it go make like red pamine. We also no say red pamine, and then they use for cook. And some monkey use the masanke for cook anyway, but red pamine mostly then they use for cook in costly past the masanke. Masanke mostly I know say they can use them for make soda soup. So the young people there they turn ink coloring pa the pamine so that the pamine go feel like saying a red pamine, so that they go sell them to people them. We see again on Thursday when I be World Tree Planting Day, where President Bill launched a month-long national tree planting campaign, and promise for Salon for big green in a way, waiting for make trees them where people they don't cut, where they don't do everything to make it go come together, and Sierra Leoneans go come together and plant thickly again, because it's really necessary in the country. On that same Thursday day, the Sierra Leone entertainment industry be lost somebody. We na Master Bitus Tex. Most people know him. He be the work na AYV, but he not be there again. But he's still there na the entertainment industry. They say just high blood pressure, just few days, because I know say just few days of sickness. Na Sarola they admit him. Now he be get for loss in life. Okay, on the same Thursday, we get for no say Sierra Leone Navy be seized an illegal fishing na Chinese boat. This Chinese boat come na Sierra Leone waters, can fish. But what happened? The local fishermen then will be there at the area. Now they mobilize themselves. Then forcefully attack this Chinese trawler, then go inside there, then capture the trawler, then they begin for call Navy come and can seize the boat, draw the boat go ashore. Then they get for be part of the topic today. And we see outside the bank governor Patrick Conte, this administration, this particular government be tell and say, well, good do. You don't tell him done, you don't try, make you go out first, and then make out Kelfala Morana Kalon. That man get 7 pages of his CV. If you see CV way long in economics, we just hope say it go come and go can help for fix the economy of Sierra Leone. Also, suicide the new head of United Nation missions, he go tell Tata to President Bill and himself get all in lock and make he go able for do within then they send and they for. And on a sad note, this morning we began for Lancy, we lost one of Africa's best winner, Kofi Annan. He died at the age of 80. We just pray say in soul go continue for rest in peace. Make a count you Senesi. I don't lay everything at table. I don't know what you are up more per small before they start proper.
Well, I feel say you don't talk all, and I'm not thinking less anything in it. Just that this week we really hectic because plenty things we happy just like we listeners they don't listen to you. Plenty things the way they at the table, but I believe say we know we will discuss all. The most important thing I believe say we will discuss today the launching of the free education where the minister FBD radio then this year where he talk, where he said the president by Monday in the launch. Then we'll see the good thing is we'll see the this time around the involve the artists the NSF can voluntarily. They will say they can't give you help. I believe say this is good news because we don't want to see anybody left on this project. Anything we can be continuing a good thing. It's good for people enjoying and send the message so that because we all see the level of education in our country, how we don't drop. So if everybody come on board, I believe see even if the president maybe just talk no more for say this are the user as the flagship program for make a kind of power. But we see where it come, everybody they ask now when this free education. So you don't think cannot say, this end up in flagship land, give me attention, make it be. So it's like if everybody come on board, then we will get the quality, not only the free, but we see the stress that it will be a quality and free education for all. Because when you educate the nation, and beaucoup things they will be struggle for so like the every Saturday will begin the past will begin the stress of society thing. You will talk simple thing, everybody will understand. When you get to civilized nation, believe say development they come on fast because like this dirty all the talks of no put dirty and no put dirty and when they pick it and go tell them how within the cause malaria, mosquito outside you sit down, is that then you will begin to say you're not going to put more dirty, you're not going to see more dirty in the street. All because of education. So I believe saying some of the few things in Andy, but anyway, you don't talk everything we can after the week. And I want for joining for say, for join the family of Kofi Annan for tell the Hush for that a very big loss for we Africans because if they really don't pull we Africans, they don't know which man they all respect trees because of Kofi Annan. Thank you very much, sir.
All right, make a bring in Aaron Rashidin. Yes, Aaron, I don't know what you want pick. But wait, I just lay a table before they can start proper, sir.
Yes, well, me want start with Senesi Bwema and we Mr. For express me sympathy to all who that get affected by the passing of Kofi Annan, one of the world's greatest men, not just Africa. Kofi Annan at some point he stood up against the mighty United States where they want go fight in Iraq. He say now one person will be criticized the war, just follow up, he criticized and said that's wrong. And I remember when AFRC been take over Sierra Leone, na Kofi Annan been there as UN Secretary General. We're not able to say who's really playing at the background, but now with in support, including with the help of Dr. Jonah, they're able to approve for ECOMOG for chase out the rebel now we country, and it been make we know with what him they go on UN, it gives Sierra Leone a lot of support. Like God give him Evan, like God give Aljana, a very good man, very gentleman. Having said that, I want to talk about that new bank governor where you mentioned, but in CV, it always good when you get qualified person because that the world today, it's not enough for the intelligence. You forget that certification, that thing we go with them. And the only thing we don't know we don't Hamburg we country so much now that sometimes even the most learned people are not live up to the standard. Because it takes more than somebody in education, you know, for push the country to go before. But when you get people that we qualify, we committed, we hope say will be committed to helping Sierra Leone, because if we get a very strong central bank where they monitor all them, of course some of them commercial banks that we get, including some of them Jebu banks that they all depend on the hand game in the country now, then it will help for stabilize the economy, you know. So I'm just hoping, you know, say this new bank governor not the right choice, God, he will able to put things in order, he will able to suggest to government, and government will listen to them, because sometimes the government not can listen to the central bank, you know, when they can desperate for money, when they can want money, even when the bank can suggest things them to them, they not can want to do that, they have to, you know. That's why they put on the third thing I just want to mention about now, this Hajj, you know, you mentioned, say, the vice president been talk on that, and he told me, say, by God in power, next year we will get up to, is it 1,500 pilgrims that will go. You know, that's good, very good. It should say, well, one thing we show now that if they do that, it show them commitment. They not go kind of politicize them. They not go take them for money making enterprise for politicians. But at the back of that also, you know, we also get for make we country economy stable. You know, imagine people then go Hajj, then come, then get all the support. But then after the non-come Hajj, Hajj, I mean, it's difficult for them. Not, you know, but if we get a good economy running, the government, you know, I know see that will serve as a political campaign for them. But yet still, I mean, the biggest of all, now when they get the economy running, then get jobs, then for people, you know, we cannot live by the books alone. Man we satisfy will be a very religious man. There are people that way, there will be a pastor, a imam, reverend, Aja, you know, for let them keep that going. They don't go get the blessing of Hajj. You know, they need for be able for sustain themselves. Let them not involve and things then we, because certain things and the certain class and the way you don't go. If you go involved, but you know they involve pan because the economy by our country, all that they bring woe and cost in the country. Let God bless we country, let God help we country. I'll stop so far.
All right, thank you very much. I want to remind listeners and say, when I say able to take part by the program and discuss whatever we they discuss, now you go able to take part, and the phone lines they're now open for make you call if you they watch me in our Facebook live, looking at the screen under there, you go see the numbers then there. But if you not through the website or through the app or through the telephone system you they listen to, these are the numbers for call. You can call any of the number through WhatsApp or you call them direct. The number, the United States number, the country code now 1-646-610-3107. United States number where the country code now 1-646-610-3107. Or you can call the United Kingdom number where the country code now 44-793-803-0402. Country code 44-793-803-0402. Or you can call the saloon number with the country code na 232 and the number na 78990-991. Country code 232 78990-991. These are the numbers to call if you want to be part of the program. Last week, the program be there late small, but something they will not be deal with. Now I want to make us start with this week. Just 2 minutes talk, please, guys. Social media, Sierra Leone, social media. We should say social media, then begin pass with talk say the now President Bill guest stroke. A guest stroke, look at the worker, you know the worker find in the link, all kinds of things talk. I don't know if people know possible guest stroke. Possible guest stroke, you get to go through therapy first. You go through serious therapy before ever you go feel say you come out for worker. but people then begin pass with that what they say how it gets stroke, look at the worker, then they done, they overcome, then they boop, then gap, then say the ex-president and the school don't die. Begin pass on social media. Come out again now, one new Rolls Royce reach na salon, or use Rolls Royce or any kind of way Rolls Royce reach alone, they say that this president and get and begin pass on social media. Social media in Sierra Leone. What's the problem? Since you get 2 minutes, sir.
Now one thing need to say, what me they say with this social media, not today we don't begin this fight. I don't think anything we wish na salon, people can misuse us. We get people where with all day now the diaspora where they misuse social media. The first thing we come out from the president, they say the president don't die. The sick, if for them, he go to state house, if for them. So wait for them, then they look no more. That's a demand they don't make. They say they look no more, then they just not go. But one thing, you get people where they see the truth, but they ain't the people talk up. The man fly, he go no man. Everybody see away, they put on social media. They put on social media. Then they grab the face. The man not is go with them. He gets stroke. He gets this that. Later when they see the man now, they say, well, he gets because he's a worker that way. So I don't really understand. Anything we can reach in a saloon, we can misuse them. So me want to say no more people that like who are in the diaspora. They just trust in this radio because we believe every morning if you listen to radio every morning. Or even if you enable meet up or the link with 98.1, you go always in at our website where they give every update what they happen in that country for make you get first-hand information. Then this motorcar, HF Council, you know, the motorcar, I don't really understand. Now, there is one thing I can already see. I can already talk about this program. It's the salon get for go before. Now we are Sierra Leoneans. What was the president do? Because the president he come when they kill everybody they make in campaign message. If we not put hand under them, then also wherever they because if this government can want to the own government, go to the support and they pray for make it fail. You see, so I'm not believe that we help ourselves as a country. We don't help ourselves. Only they say no one put hand under. Just like we the last program with Friday will be only a if the way MRC talk, everybody begin blast for her. But if a good thing come, we want them to put an on down. And we are also there, we have to go back. We're not going to say because of what they are, we're not there under, let everything back. We'll be there, we must kind up. We won't know how Ebola become. We won't know how it feels. We won't know how it feels. So it's a good thing can because you don't put on, don't let for the past, don't let for the think bad for country. Let's stop this for sir. With no minister sir.
All right, thank you. Yes, Aaron Rashid. Sierra Leone and social media, the misuse of social media. It gets in good part, but these are just outlined just the then few weeks here, the awful things that we don't come on social media. What's your take, sir?
Well, you see, social media is a new phenomenon in Sierra Leone. You know, now we as a people, we know, kind of we know, get, like, kind of, now we culture, we know the express we safe. You know, if you get, for example, I'll give you an example. You have two people in the house, one just come on Sierra Leone or one where you born abroad. You know, the one where then abroad, you know, they not going to hesitate for talk or we don't learn we have for be quiet, for keep quiet for sit down a corner. Now social media come, it give you the opportunity for shout. So we do out of control. And if I tell you, not to just people that within the country Sierra Leone they do. Now Sierra Leoneans they way they abroad to we do live and see how people in France, na England, na Australia, you know, na Denmark, na America they do. But you know, also we as SF, we involve parenting and you know they go well. It's difficult for say for let government go monitor them or try to contain waiting they go out because now they abuse can come. You allow government for put some regulation. You know, countries and way in a way advanced. Certain things in the way you just not go put now. social network. If somebody, for example, accident happen na Kuton Road, before 2, 3, 4, 5 or 100 people who go in, then they go with a cell phone, how the body then, victims then go lead on, so they go snap them, send them all over the world without due respect to who that don't die, without due respect to victims and relatives then, to their own privacy. Then you do at some country, you go jail because it's not to the government you go after yourself. The person in Famble, that person will die when you just snap him picture, you send them all over. Then there is rules where they regulate that. And we lack that as well. There is that line of trying to regulate it and not going across so make them become abused for trifles, because we don't see some countries when the citizens when they go on social network too much, then they find way for block them, for complain. It gets in good part of them. But the other thing, briefly what I was saying, it gets the good side also now that even though sometimes they lie, then they lie. It serves a good purpose. It makes the government say, well, if you go across or you go above which you're not supposed to do, the way you not do something, then they talk, let alone if you do something, it will serve as a sign of caution and balance. But we therefore be very careful how they do things, how they say things. Let people then say, as long as the government they do what's right, now that will prevail at the end of the day.
All right, thank you. A follow-up of last week. If we family be done the listen for them few weeks here, we get this labor from start of that toll road strike to last week we come with the security people even before that we get people where they complain about the labor ministry. I don't know if we can take this call before we bring that clip there. We get a caller now, but we get issue with this caller, so I don't know if it's possible we will bring in before. Okay. We're not going to call that caller. They make it try back again. Make a bring in this clip about the security people and the labor man. Remember say we be deal with that last week. Now we get the full details from 98.1. Make we take and hear what really happened.
Plenty time we don't get complaint from workers in a different agency them, but how the employer them can treat them, where this then say they against the human rights.
For payment 8 months salary, the security agency, they're not calling to board, they're not kaya, they say that they pay me, for can't give me money now, they tease them, all the property, they all day with me. I don't want to work again, they don't left me for now watch at the place for good. I did it 2 years, then they begin pay me, then later they cut off, nearly 8 months, then they pay me this month, make 9 months. Why go to them? I say they beat me. Let me come for it. They pay me.
In a security guard now, one security company, maybe they complain about how the employer be treat them, and not be they pay them in salary where it's supposed for pay them. Where this is say be make this complaint to the Ministry of Labor, but how the Ministry of Labor they respond to this issue?
I don't catch the labor. I say, but una help me. I dey suffer. Angry they kill me so. Me picking them well. The only thing I said I don't work on the labor. I don't serve the letter. Look up. How many nearly 50,000? I don't get that money again. I don't talk to him. I say, let me go to the commissioner. Let me the commissioner talk. The commissioner from the God money to the work Sudan. For move me home at 30. They look the labor man Sudan. They watch him next. I don't get sense. The first I don't nearly guess that the world not kill myself. Yeah, but government will help me. Let this man can pay me money. And they suffer. Labor man charge you to court. You know they agree for charge you to court. Who's permission now for work? I don't try for that minister. No able to minister. They wanna help me like this is I get can pay me money. Now legal they get the property to me. Now I don't give them. I'm not trouble. Me not flood victim. I they suffer. From here to 6 months, 25,000 they pay. For go to my place, for return back. I don't work at this case, stay nearly 2 months and they don't get me money. You don't see, the man they call on a supervisor they send. Supervisor says, this man for pay. Who get property that they have? Una can't take una property now. Let me left this business. I don't give me out for give me, let me go rest. When my church that so far, they pass off so. Yes, let me picking out belly. I look hospital can't go so before the car. Nothing to nothing on the my sister. If you don't help me right now, not really, I kill myself or I just go to myself.
As always they be, 2 other security guards themselves beget their own complaint but their own security agency.
Because agency really tip me, nice. IST security services, they one pitch last street. I be sick, I go they grant me excuse. Then way I don't go through medical process, they give me medical, I go there. For that and I say yes, I don't fit for regime work. They don't bother listen to them, they just request for the uniform, like the uniform. I try to talk to them, they understand, show them medical, they don't even look, they don't bother ask for the medical. They don't look and safe. I don't work over a year. So I ask them for my service benefit. They say they may go anywhere. They don't get no service benefit for me.
The underpay people, government we don't put and say civil servant worker for probably earn salary more than 500,000. And they pay people 400,000. People not get the off and the work. People in the work no more, you not get leave.
Based on waiting their work I say. Make I be decide for talk with the manager and the IS3 agency for know if waiting and work I say na true, but it not be agree for talk on this issue. The Labour Ministry na the body we can look inside and concern here for assist and protect people and human rights. But complain on the BC, the Labour Ministry can delay for address the worker them concern. Where this make I be talk to the spokesperson at the Ministry of Labour. Lansana Sise.
For just a day, you they get up to the 30-40 cases the way they come to the ministry. And the workman them, where they deal with labor matters, they not even reach 20. The subvention for reach the ministry, they not timely. The subvention they come on time, and the letters then get for go out. And you get for send them correspondent, then letters they also to the people they were concerned. So you see, so all that self they contribute to we go say delay. You see, they expect the workman, the labor officer, for pulling your money and give for let them send the letters here. Also, that workman we can complain to you. They expect them for let you pull money for give for let the letter go.
This delay can make plenty worker them can discourage. We make Lansana say government need for do something for solve the issue. Yeah.
Government for try for put more labor officers, not so just for Freetown. We get offices then Abo, Kenima, Makeni, Kono, and even Nawataki. We get labor offices then where they deal with labor matters. So you say, and then the subvention for always be timely, like how the president in a maiden speech na parliament, where he talks he express concern and commitment for make the Ministry of Labour get already it take for make it go do in job. Mind you, any country where the Labour Ministry not get already it take a recipe for chaos or industrial unrest, and we not like them kind of situation then they follow it be.
Lansana say end up call on the worker them we get case to the Ministry of Labour. For patients to the ministry see to the case here. For the Society for Radio Democracy, Waniga Oja.
Yeah, we go tell Waniga Oja thank you for that report today. You see, make the one that we get case, make them beer, make them wait, make them patient. But we are here again waiting the labor man say. Senesi Brahima. And this will be done deal with this, but now we get a look in depth of what you think, sir, about this labor issue.
Well, as we see the subvention we get, even the one way they get for make it come on time, no problem. I been talk to this minister we come not to see the problem. Me myself within I get issues with labor. Not to see the problem is this minister we get a lot for do. He really gets for work. He really gets for do something. Now the subvention we need to go on time. If on that before it was right, because the complaint is beaucoup na labor. Then the next thing, I believe say if we then go back and look at the labor law, then try to modify them, then beaucoup complain and they go. They take actions for 1 or 2 companies. Believe me, people will go fear. But from 19 almost, from 18 almost, when people offend workers then, that's nobody cares the less. No way. They don't even modify the labor law. The labor minister, they don't even do nothing. From when he gets as labor minister, he always get problems. States again have the same problem. You see, better now where they are the top of the subvention, say the subvention and they come on time, and not the agency because you don't know what the other one they do. So what you need the advice is let them try for some let people have also they get na the table. Let the minister go back to the parliament and try to see how they will able lobby for let the subvention with the minister alley. Then they able lobby for let them modify some of the labor laws there. But again,
okay, Senator, I want all you there. Make we call this caller quick because the direct line he call. I want all you there. Make we call this caller quick. Yes, caller, what's your name and also you call from, please?
Hello, good morning. I'm named Joseph. I call from Sydney, Australia.
Yes, from Australia. Yeah, you get 1 minute, sir. What you want to? Yeah. Okay, carry on.
Okay, what actually I want to talk is I want to talk about the way how people misuse the social media in Sierra Leone in the name of freedom of speech, which is very, very wrong. You know, the whole thing is we salute people there, not of police day because in Sierra Leone, you know, salute people there. We get by that, you know, until we change the attitude, whatever that country they will progress. You see, to me, the whole thing about this misuse, where people misuse the social media and not just because, like, you know, the president we did it in Oleka, you know, which is bad. And one thing where I want the people to know is leadership not from God in the command. Whether you let this person out, you know, like once God don't choose them. No matter, I mean, you know, there's no other option but for Leka, you know. Now because they don't let the man, that means they talk all kind of evil things against her, you know. And what they actually sitting about the whole thing to me is, you know, the one they successfully participate in this use of social media, and I can say 60% of them they na the diaspora, you know. Really expensive, now therefore sensitize the one there within na salon. You see, but they let it run. You see, now they all they go na social media, they misinform people there. When they grab, they say na we right, na freedom of speech. But there is a limitation to freedom of speech. You know, you never fabricate all kind of bad things against person. Then you talk say in the name of freedom of speech or na you right. And one thing we really forget is. They right, then they take the right, then they forget say the right way they take it, they follow with a responsibility. You know? So I mean, not just round up waiting at the say. I appeal to the people there that let them left this bad that I mean let we all pray for let the president succeed. If the president succeed, now all don't succeed at the country they go before. So anytime we do at the world as Sierra Leoneans, we will be proud of ourselves. But that evil thought, you know, they help that country. So that's a major contribution.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yes, Senesi, you still get the floor. If they talk about the labor man for go back in parliament, yes.
Yeah, because the need for modify them. The need for they take action against some certain people. Just the way they don't take action against some security agencies, they say they foreclose them. Because some not even what's not you go, how you go open the company, you owe people they 8, 6, 7 months, you owe them, you never pay them. Some of them come here when you open them, what's not the collateral security, what did they get? When what's not the guarantee? For some account you come in so. Then you get some people with this. Let me make our own talker. With this, you are in a system. We help them. Some of them come here. They come. We not just for a purpose because I say Mr. Bilombi. I get more idea for being security or I get more idea. Mr. Go become. Then I begin look for outside and get people the way they will give me contracts. When they give me contracts, I get money. We contract done, money done. You go do that. You already money can set up the people they want to work for you. You hold and force. So then they can say if they don't take strict laws against those people who violate the labor laws there, then believe me, we will not go reach this fire. And they say labor they keep they don't. we go there for the say this other 5 years. If they know they don't go visit their own laws and now the same thing will happen. So the only message I have for this labor minister, let this guy for go back and revisit, let them go clear this law and try for go modernize them. Let this up to standard. Then the subsidy where they forget every month, what they forget, let government, let the labor man make it go reach there so that they will able to do the work, reach out to other people. That's all.
All right, thank you, Senesi. Yes, Aaron Rashidin. We don't come with the full one. We are outside the man they talk say making no go kill himself just now because entire engage all length in the day. And as somebody will be done in service to a company. So now the one they wait for faith for her, then they talk different talk. What thing it takes her?
Well, you know, the labor or the problem with the experience na the labor department or the labor ministry or the labor force na you know just an indication of the way things go across board, not just you have to say the labor ministry they cover every worker, including even the president in office, come down to everybody else, because that how large the responsibility be. The thing though that we government can always look at the labor ministry as just one ministry where you would just put anybody for satisfy and for give position we will not support you during the course of election. Now a very vital, very important ministry, now very important arm of government if we economy get for grow, because now then they regulate everything, how the employment, the relationship between employer and employee. If the labor force, the labor department, the labor ministry faulty, I mean the entire employment structure in the country is not going to work well. The thing way I get, I don't know how true that is. I mean, talk to somebody on this very thing after we get to a program last week. Now that you know, there are certain people in way they kind of open up jobs, you know, then jobs and this until they go well, you know, then they get enough funds. So what then they do, and they try for liaise with certain individuals in a government where instead of them pay them workers, then they give them people in this small thing. You know, I don't know how true that is because this is a new government. No, I need to talk of this present government generally. They will give them people in this small thing where even when they suppress the young worker, the young employees, you know, those in government were responsible for take the initiative for make sure so then things then they not happen. You know, then they turn blind eye to it. It happen across board. And government, this government get for putting food on. If they want to address this thing, you know, you're not going to say you want build a healthy country or a healthy society where the hospital where you get is not well equipped. If the labor ministry is not well equipped, they lack staff members then SSF they get a young problem. You don't expect them for do much, you know. Then they sometimes they're not the complaint, but then from what you get from that labor man, you tell how constrained themselves the things they wouldn't face, the difficulties they wouldn't face, you know. So then get for look at that, then get for work on that, and then the government get for boost the labor ministry. I mean, build them up not just by way of equipment, but by way of personnel. You know, let them know what they do. You know, because the labor department says they help for boost the economy. Then they able to know the role at which every employing agency, the function. Sometimes you get, for example, you get a security company where sometimes themselves they get some difficulties. Sometimes they need government help some way, somehow. Sometimes the labor ministry can find a way where go show them or help them for let them boost them company where that self go help for boost the economy in general. I will stop so far.
All right, we just hope that the Minister for Labor go really come and face the workers them, make them able to explain, just like how this man explained to the journalist, he can able to explain really what they go on in a labor. Because I don't think we supposed for turn a blind eye to waiting really they go on labor, because labor now gets the workforce. If 1, 2, 3 people they don't come out say this is what they go through, and the people who forfeit for we not able to forfeit for we, at the other side we already demand they say, well, when I charge we go court, make we go court, make court go decide waiting they between me and this me for my employer. So I think they really need for do something in that aspect there. I just want to remind Family, say the phone line is still open. You can call the numbers. If you watch we in Facebook Live, just look at the screen under there. You go see all the numbers there. But if you listen with through the app or again through the website, these are the numbers then for call. The United States number with the country code now 1-646-610-3107, or the United Kingdom with the country code now 44-793-803-0402, or the salon number with the country code now 232-78-990-991. You can call their numbers here direct, or you call them through WhatsApp. The other one way I want to make we take now the illegal mining where they go on a corner, and let we listen waiting the corner people them they talk about on this illegal mining where they go on there.
Kono na one district outside plenty time people can find diamond, gold and other mineral them, where this can attract plenty mining company them. But complain on the commot say people can go mine at this community illegal one. And this being them, the government will catch some Chinese man them, where they do illegal mining at some parts them na Kono district. Where they make a go work na Kono district for know how this be happen.
I've been there safe na me bid. My name is Pikin can't tell me say papa he said Chinese they don't join na land when about 3 acres land would they destroy. In the morning hours now I go there. I go find out them. See how then they extract the gravel in morning me. I go on if the road no fall go go see how the destruction they don't make na me carry. The cocoa how they don't damage up. Banana trees and so on.
So the one time we don't know net, we left we don't know the plantation all no good we under and the place. They go all down to the cocoa there, all the boiler. Down to the banana, till to the pepper, till to the farm safe. The farm will this year. There is not pan at all.
Our life don't tell like now for them farmer here after this illegal mining.
The Chinese man from where they can enter here. Take today we all man they pass suffer. Na gibe when a banga with the court. What are they for processor? They don't damage the water for we to make what they say. If you go see, then people already buy ya bang na place this way banga they come out na better one. But this is one grape per mile no come on. The water be don't like starch. All the make farm they na pass we take water that pump na that hand pump now we use na we throw water from 5 gallon rubber that we carry. Make I tell you the population where they use that one grape water from Medina. The place and if you check Medina the voters they know where they nearly 800 when they did it. Then you come on Medina, you can't table. Now that the same water would they use. All that you don't damage. Now nobody not decide for make farm that part again. Because if you make farm day, you don't get water with the drink. Or nobody no left away not suffer for that water. They don't put all kind of place now no salary for all survive.
The place has also pit now. If you say no April, that place they let them come make road them for we. People it could be accident will begin and go left inside water because all time a pit there and the pit there nobody no go able cross. If you go na the side, you go not say yeah man no go able cross this water.
So na destruction to my life because I defend somebody and at that family then I'm on farm tiwadi duwadi get money.
Now all the issue here make them farmer here call on government for look inside and concern them so that the Chinese man them go pay for all the damage them where them because na them land.
The meet we as indigenous land then can't pay money where one they send a government send them who don't finance not to government send them because now illicit mining them do. So if government find them for their own business, you don't know who say well let government they be we, let lawyers then they be we, let judge then they be we until they pay all the economic trees and the cash crop trees that will be the live on now. Because upon this will be the live. Even the water, the fish all look at. You see the land degradation. Here now you don't go able to plant trees. You see that's so sand. So sand, look at. Yes, I see. Now so sand, you don't go able to plant nothing now where you go able to grow. So one, they can backfill all this place for we. And they pay for them trees and where them well.
Without that, they will not glad you. They tell Papa government, no, that they will not glad it today, will not glad it tomorrow. Now, for that today, as a citizen, anything they affect you, will tell her before we go to anyone that will cause war at this country. No one let the law come between women and pay for them today.
The National Mineral Agency (NMA) na body wey government set up for look inside mining business na the country. But how this agency don't they address this illegal mining case?
Well, the police, they continue with their investigation regarding the one in the way they be arrested, and they not be able to produce license for social and get license for mine at inside in it. And right now, as they talk to you, so the NMA monitors them all over the country because this issue of illegal mining, of course, we all know the problem we don't cause the environmental damage, the deprivation of revenue, etc. So we they try for stamp them out completely, and we monitor them all over the country now. They raid people really engage in illegal mining activities.
You be dey listen to Ibrahim Sati Kamara, the Director for Community Affairs and Communication na NMA, where we dey talk about how far they don't go with this illegal mining case. And say, after the police investigate this case proper one, then go ensure say the victim gets justice.
The police they investigate now, and then complaints them also will be taken on board. All that they will be part of the investigation. Part of the recommendation are that one, therefore be responsible for the reclamation. Because look, not just farmers they talk about. They talk also of environmental damage. They talk of some of the places the way them don't dig hold them. Who that go cover their whole land. We know say some of the side them in cost them arrest equipment them. What will happen with their equipment them? All that one day now image, therefore make sure say the one that we then find guilty, they're responsible for the land reclamation, and two, if anybody affected by the operations, then get adequate compensation.
Sati Kamara, we end up calling them farmer for exercise patience. So say the National Mineral Agency look inside this case proper one. For Radio Democracy, Waniga Oja.
Yeah, we go tell Waniga Oja thank you, Enda, for this particular clip. Now, instead they tell the farmers them for exercise patient. The labor man be the talk to them and them for exercise patient. Everybody go for exercise patient. But this particular incident na kono. Now one green day it happened. There are lots of questions for ask. We need answers for this incident because the farmers then are just one day then Chinese just appear, then overnight they don't dig, they don't do everything. Or yes, Tennessee Brahma, what's your take on this, sir?
Well, I think me just want people ask that question. Why are not everybody they complain about illegal mining? The last time, before the president, they called them chiefmen. We'll be talking and say, most of them see how they happen. The elders then, not only the chiefmen, but the elders and at the tongue, they know. Somebody, they will keep them. Who said they Chinese fire pass? They pass by the sea, they pass by the porous border that they come. Who said they pull their equipment, they whine and not everybody, they complain. It's good. The last time I talk, I said, a good way the president will not just call one set of people, he called all the chieftains. He can't give them warning. Say this country is better. Now for we all. If it's point, now for we all. Una way they allow illicit mining or this, that, now so they deploy and now so they all become together. So the question here is what they ask. Who said the Chinese Maya BB? Who said they pass? How long, just the question, how long they don't gain at them place they all man is careful pulling head now. Who are responsible? One thing where we just want for join them, when they say, let them just exercise patience. Because also one day they see happen. Maybe they're just legal documents then, but who that give the documents here? You know, just out on foreign as so we will learn say this and that. You just go let people they come and say, yes, let people already become I see them be told now we give the answer their mind that this is the give it. Because someone no just come on to China, he go in that plane, he can't he cross or he go with boat, because he go direct na the bushes somebody no leader. Because someone not stability, he not beside that one, they not beside gold bay. You know, just go to that bush if it's somebody not leader. Now this will be talk say, if we don't let the country, we don't let we put one under our country for no country better. Believe me, that the other people them, we now they go look just before they talk how they don't go destroy. They don't care. Already they want to see them go pay and get up. Whether on a get water or not get water, once they get them more the go where they go for me, they go look for they get that they go. They left now all look at now where they holler.
Senesi make a holiday. Senesi make a holiday. Make a bring this caller quick. Make a holiday.
Okay.
Yes, caller, you dey live on air. Your name and who side you call from, please?
All right, thank you very much. My name Alpha. They call from Maryland.
Yes, Alpha from Maryland. You get 1 minute, sir. Waiting you want for contribute.
I want to light on the labor, the labor ministry, the issue where they happen at labor ministry.
Carry on, sir.
Yes, Mr. Bide Salon, and I'll get a taste of waiting that them people that they cry on, where people that they work, their employers that they treat them that way. I think like what the previous caller be say on that the labor. The ministry really need for work on something and for sure the people the way they work at the ministry what they're supposed to do, because people the employers and they take advantage of the workers and too much just because jobs are not in the country, and when they give job then they usually how they want, all the things, and the ministry for really look into that, because now things the way really they happen at the country is really real. The people that even the foreigners, the way they go, or they employ brothers and sisters them, then they maltreat them. They need to treat them well. The Lebanese them, the Arab people, the way they go and out and they work, they are treating our people really bad. So the ministry really look on into that, and then get the labor act, then get laws them where govern the labor, where them for tell the employers them, what they supposed how they treat them workers them. So now the talk that the way myself you want to go in that.
Okay, thank you very much.
And if I can say something on the what did happen at also.
Yeah.
Like what would they say? Now we say with the people of because now for like self. If you look, then Chinese man and they know they go there for good, then go start for mine the areas, and if the local authorities don't know. Now the local authorities just because of for themselves, the personal interest with people that they put before the country, now the problem, and they affect the country. I mean, if then people they come, you forget you country at us, and even at the village they get the village at us. You don't go just because the Chinese man don't use small things. You and your family they enjoy from that day. They make the other people they suffer on that day. So now that day, now the people, now the local authority and the responsible for them and the way they happen to people.
Okay, thank you very much. All right, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Yes, Senesi, you still get the floor, sir. We are waiting on this caller and say,
yeah. The elders in the village, they know. Because just like they say, how the people they enter on a village. Just imagine when you can afford here, I don't know how for start. Now the people they want to mix now, the French people there, now they show me say na so. Some people just go na push them and begin to go say yeah, that money they are begin to go yeah, na so for work now. Now the people the way mix. Let me give you one simple example. What does they work for them people? Yeah, just take this people and talk about that labor. One video will come out. One lady will be speak that bad English where they say it is all rotten. You know, say now we on salon border them because the lady go. He said the ambassador buying a this Lebanese shop. Rotten. I don't get the full story. What are the all long come up on them? So we on salon border now for make it provoke the woman. They say when the man let the you now for talk na English. Now if he give really a lead and back for speak the wrong English, it is all rotten. But he begin provoke him. Instead of the story for your sister, say the market can buy to Nana. So you have to know all the ambassadors buy a rotten. Then if you know the lady, then you put it on social media. All the Gilab lady, the onions who are buy, it is all rotten. Tomorrow is promoting. So this is the problem. If we don't let the country in water, we don't let we say, about the same thing no more. And the same thing. So we therefore do how we therefore we should say that the last government declared this attitude a change. Then we see reason for counter. But it don't work. So we say we dey try we don't follow. Now look what they happen. So for the change with attitude, believe me, the people they go na that bush, they go begin to go mind illicitly where the country they benefit anything. Just like what the last caller said. Just you and your family now they enjoy. They look how big gap they don't go there, they don't destroy. Now all man they cry. The people are not being used and they are all man they pull it. Thank you, sir.
All right, make a bring in Aaron Rashid. Yes, Aaron. You're waiting the caller self contribute and you hear from the clip we the person we get the land say na one money no money in Pikinka we can say they don't go with itself na land, but the damage will be there na the land, not overnight damage. But I don't know if maybe you don't think not go na the land when now we go there, you go realize say they don't damage them or what not. Yes, sir.
You see, what happened, you see that I get a land, I no one blame them too much. I just put myself na that community. We would get elders them. Even forget about the government, the one that would be above the community leaders them. Then community leaders and the advantage we then get over the subject and the way you call the subject and the ordinary people. The people and the free them, they don't get voice. Who send one, who that then you go to? You understand? So that man now get the land, but here the how you call now when are the chief na the area. You don't give instruction for you don't with car with Chinese people and you don't know what you go tell the man say well so now government then people are and we want you not mention this thing. We not give blame it on the government, central government at the time. Just like what you say, the Chinese people they know I cannot imagine it. You know, then come on all the way. Then just go straight. Let's go see and the other people they say, go straight now. Begin go dig now. The interior. Begin dig people the land. See then we don't like it. Then people and they say now government. Sometimes we don't give the people a small thing. You know, but you can understand something. Nothing. The land is they barren. You understand? One minister comes. Something you see I'm with the paramount chief. They say now the presidency. We don't have that local man for in fact for stand up against that. He stand up against that sometimes. Yeah, you know, nobody know they will now any big city will go know what thing good happen at inside any. You know, say it go to the point so they then get for court somebody if they put that man abduct and lock na host when cut him foot before this thing come out. You know, the other thing again, people and they must have known that also. Most people and they must have known. Then the radio station, then they're all over the country now. At least somebody before don't come out, call some of them radio station or course go free tongue. Young man and they self too. You know, because when they treat you so look like when that man come out, you go now straight to the labor ministry. The young people themselves, the young man themselves within the community, themselves will take a little bit responsibility. When I see people and they come, that's what they cancel people and cancel say who side go side and come outside and come out, Ebola come take over the country. Then therefore they not get for this culture of such much. It involves with so much. People then get for take responsibility. And how do people in this? Well, I think government get for do an investigation. It's not just about arresting those people and finding them. How did they get there? Whose authority will they get? Who that give them documents for let them go give them license, give them visa, then come, so tell them go. And also not to this under this government happen. You know, but what's happening? What's happening? This government have get a responsibility now then for find out exactly how this thing happened. So tell them people they're not going to just go come out thousands of miles. Go Nakono, they go mine diamond. You know what thing that tell you? If you go back to the history of slavery, you know what thing that happened in and you get 2-3 chieftain. When are they be the complacent? I mean, they play with. I mean, them collaborate with the slave buyers. Them now them be the catch the young people. Not to just say which man Americana Africa can run after slave then catch them. Now black man them they catch the young company black man put them in jail when slave buyers and come they sell them give them. Now the advanced stage with the witness so with people they bring foreign and then come send them go let them go mine take with people them abuse them because slave you know now just imagine that if they do that now that is now the same pattern now advanced form of slavery and any subject with people into so there has to be account somebody has to explain how these people get there. The government will investigate that. Thank you.
Yes, I just want to bring this other one we happened this week. na the trawler, na the fishing sector. I be explaining small just now. I want just explain and back. Then we will just rub more and small before we go to the next issue. During this week, we be find out say the fisherman them be see one illegal trawler where they fishing, be see one illegal trawler where they fishing at the Salone waters. So he come close to the fisherman them. How them be able to identify and say illegal or not illegal, we don't know. But what we get for know is that the fisherman them be go, then able for jump by this trawler. Now Chinese boats will be get for land say they be even offer them money for bribe they not agree. Then call the Navy, then the Salone Navy come, he can take this boat, drag and go ashore. My own fear is then fishermen then they go on that boat, they not get weapon, they not get nothing. I'm afraid if them Chinese man then they be get any weapon, then go harm them fishermen then they to wade in the water, sink them boat and nobody no go hear from them again. A good how this thing turn out, then be able for call Navy come respond in time, Navy be meet the fishermen, they don't board the boats done already, then Navy come and take over. This brings us to a point back we dey try for make Sierra Leoneans always try for rely on the appropriate authority where things go wrong. If this thing be turned the other way, we not for be the talk button, so the way they talk button now. So me as my own concern about this whole issue that next time them fishermen and they wouldn't spot something if able call the Navy, make the Navy come and do whatever they can get for do, we go able for bring them people and they to book rather than they attack the people, and that's just my take. I don't know if Senesi, I don't know what you own take about this issue, so you get 2 minutes, sir.
Well, so first of all, I want to commend the fisherman indeed. That although, yes, for their own security, for their own safety, for going inside that boat, because most of them people indeed, they always can get arms inside it. But let me tell you one thing, we just be the fishing before. You see them boats today, the way how they pass from water, the one where they come for captive. In fact, when they come for captive, they go fishing out to they come outside them small boats they drag. Now they themselves they come. When they come, in fact, they cost to change the whole way they give their own change. Just imagine you na manual. Then I let you go they put some money they get on change the whole. Oh, na talk they tell na say no, they begin cost na. If una can hear them, if that's the way they corner so they left pocket. Fishermen they can't complain. Maybe not get nothing for do. So I believe say now when no more it say, but when see the fishermen they risk their own life. Abraham they tell you nothing we don't pass mark. They just sacrifice themselves now see what they be ready. They go don't cut the chain, they go don't damage the chain. No more change the way they guide they with them because anybody they fish illegally now you water, they be very careful. I the fishing. But my way, you know, say just the car illegal something, you go to most number and nobody not get something we don't do as you don't go out sea. You understand? So now certain people they really do. Not so today they begin this illegal business. You know, but putting the way we don't well, where this government gets for put in place. Now tired the fishermen they don't say and against them games, what they do so? They sacrifice their life. And I believe say if you get people and they never can always talk and say anything we they do, we set example. They were they also if they set that example because it's not too long way they call all West Africa ministers the way responsible for marine and camp and we give say the government they lost so Africa we lost so billions now water. I believe say when they hold their wire it's actually illegal fishing in the deeper. It's that best example for them. Believe me, now then we go send the signal. They say, if you exist, I don't change you. But at the time, if you are from the day when we fishing, one day they go on. They can't afford to change the all, once they hit the chain. And they elect on the halakhe, they get a whole thing, they put on a change, then go. Nobody made the hole. You didn't see nobody. You won't accept the bank, they give, oh, I tell the thing, I don't go change, they tell us, you can't. That's when they come back, when I come empty-handed, people they can't go. Go to go. Let's go ask the people the way they don't point and fish them, the net there. So government really need for enough. If the government want to succeed, like when the people themselves don't tower, you get some set of people that they say, okay, we shall help this government for succeed. There's people that they were going to that boat say so, now they don't tower, say, we shall help this government for succeed. And government for enough behind them, and government gives them the support. Believe me, you see, things will change. You will begin to see changes like that. But you will find out students that they can't inside those small boats that they can't fish in there. And the next, they only the fishing. Them are only do the legal fishing. The next one is the fishing with, not so the required net one is supposed to fishing with. That's what they catch all the small fish. They catch one and then big fish and then fish they look for. But now, because of where the fish is, they catch inside and catch all the fish there. The net one they're supposed to fish with, not really they fishing with. You see, so more problems than they. So government really get a way for support the fishermen. That way, I really want to commend them. That work they do a very good job they do. Even if Sojaman they go, Navy they go on the hand team, but when they all go to they say this one today will go. Believe me, tomorrow the Navy they wait for them say anybody they catch and encounter. Thank you, sir.
All right, make a bring in Aaron. Yes, Aaron, this now the story about the local fisherman them and the trawler. What's in a you take, sir?
You know, when you will give you brief earlier in the program, we mentioned, but say some fishermen they observe this thing, then go inside trawler, they kind of seize the trawler, then they call on government Navy. I describe that as one of the wonders, the new wonders of the world. Imagine the trawler, fishermen they all then get na paddle. You have to believe what you know go say happen. And just like how you mentioned, there is risk to it. Maybe there is something behind it. I mean, for them people and they team up inside and the people and go inside and trawler, they not do nothing, so they can arrest them. And it sounds kind of strange, But the fact that the Navy come, they take over and then stop them, arrest through that and get for arrest. That's a good move. If I would tell you, this is not only first the evidence story there about foreign boats then to allow them they can't fish now the side water. Umar Fofana don't report that about a couple of times, we report that well then they damage the net them or damage deprive the local farmers, fishermen them of the opportunity where they own business them. There was a time in the 90s where we see one Russian boat safe.
Presidents could introduce a free quality.
Now they don't come off, they don't move, they don't advance from fishing now water, then mine, then they plan the mining, then within a field for do, then they do. But for look back to this mining, with this fishing thing we talk about, I think we get to find out exactly what's in the ground. It go beyond just them people where they come and fish in the water. There are people where they work, I believe so, where they work in collaboration with them people there, with not them. When I say government, I'm not talking of APC or SFPP government. People where they work for the government. Then we don't work through their position for years after this government, that government, and they point finger at any particular president or minister or this, that. But you get people that maybe not then at the Ministry of the fishing industry. They're not good as they can. Then people are not good as they come. Then they can't do anything there. They must do in collaboration with some of the officials, who are administrators and then ministry. Then all anything the government get for look into. We know so we not get the manpower, even when we talk of Navy. Because then to allow them, they imagine all side and they come out, they're well equipped, then get arms there inside then to allow them. And like you say earlier in this second segment, they could have pushed that trawler right into some middle of the sea and throw all them, shoot all them fishermen, and if not twisted them in good and good tell, shoot them and throw them in the water. Now they fumble, they not go see them no more. Now a risky move. Makes sense for the fishermen and they do that. But if like whether they notice then thing and call government, if they call the government say, hey, now this we notice. Now this we notice. Then the government get for come and do the right thing. So I would just left and so far. But I believe there are people who are responsible with the cause thing in there. I will left and so far.
All right. Make I play this other clip. This other clip now concerning the August 14 incident we happened, the tragedy, and let us see how the country be celebrate the 1 year after this particular incident.
For sake of the mudslide and flooding will be Monday, August 14, 2017, make government and then partner them hold the first interfaith memorial service for member people who been lost their life August 14 last year at the St. Paul's Catholic Church Regent. Service been attract senior government who command them, religious leader them, people who survive the mudslide and flooding, international body them, community people, civil society and other one them. Who say one party survivor them, we been talk on behalf of the other one them. Madam Marie Kamara been call on government for look inside some party challenge them within the face.
We lost our loved one, small children, father, mother, husband, wife, and relative on that day. There is still tears in our eyes. Our condition are not too good. Some still do not have place to sleep or food to eat. Mr. President, we are asking you and your government to look after us.
But one big question where some people don't they ask now that why Salone all time they report batting them. Bishop John Yambasu, whether the President Council for Churches in Sierra Leone, will explain the reason them on behalf of the religious body them na the country.
If it is not Reverend War here today, it is Ebola over there. And it is not Ebola here, it is mudslide. And it is not mudslide, it is corruption. This is the only country that I know where people placed in the high offices practice and celebrate corruption with impunity and reckless abandon. And nothing happens. Instead, we compensate them by giving them higher positions and offices of privilege. This country has been so reduced that we have lost our dignity because of our selfishness. As long as his pot is boiling, he cares less whether others go hungry. This is what is responsible for the misery and the squalor that we live in this country. On behalf of the religious community, I congratulate the government of President Bio for organizing this national memorial service in remembrance of our brothers and sisters who lost their lives in the wake of the disaster.
And the Office of National Security ONS, now the body will be get the mandate for coordinate ministries, department and agency them for address the people where the mudslide flooding in Hamburg, with this according to the National Security Coordinator, retired Brigadier General J.A.O. Jatoka, say government through in office don't take quick action them for that disaster. Salone.
I'm pleased to encourage those of us still residing in high-risk areas or disaster-prone areas to take concrete steps to move to safer zones. Let us copy good and sound environmental practices that leads to risk reduction and enhance quality of interaction with the environment.
For sake of this and other reasons, make the United Nations Resident Coordinator been pledged in support to Salone and Salone people.
With its 15 resident UN agencies, funds and programs, 3 non-resident agencies, and the International Monetary Fund, the World Bank, and the African Development Bank, continue to build our work together with our many partners in Sierra Leone. I'm here to tell you that the UN family in Sierra Leone stands ready to lend whatever support possible to the development of policies and to their implementation for the short, medium, and longer term, working together to close the energy gap, enhance national prevention and recovery capacities, and promote lasting nature-based solutions for sustainable and even more resilient Sierra Leone, so that together we can assure that no one is left behind.
Where in the talk, His Excellency President Julius Maada Bio say government still a member for support people who survive the mudslide and flooding we happen but 1 year now.
To all the survivors of this terrible tragedy, this is a government with a human face, a compassionate and God-fearing administration. So we have not forgotten to respond to your needs, to help you to cope on a daily basis, to come to terms with this tragedy. That is why, as a government, when we received the red alert warning from the UNOPS about another imminent and catastrophic mudslide that will lead to another tragedy, I immediately directed the formation of the Interagency Mudslide Committee, chaired by no less a person but the Chief Minister. This interagency committee has successfully completed, through a transparent process of engagement with all relevant stakeholders and the affected communities, the following: payment of financial incentive package of 8 billion leones to resettle the families of 86 houses in the demarcated red zone, provision of humanitarian relief supplies to cater for the immediate needs of 86 resettled families. Completed also the orderly demolition of 86 houses in the demarcated red zone to ensure that we protect our people and get them out of harm's way.
The President, Julius Maada Bio Keyon, say in government they worked Ganga One for that disaster na Salone.
My government will continue to be proactive to prevent disasters and not just react to disasters. As a new government, that is why we are now implementing and enforcing the following measures. The Sugarloaf Mountain and its environs is an environmentally protected area, and anyone who bids on this environmentally protected area will be prosecuted and that building will be demolished. The Ministry of Lands, Housing and Environment and the Environmental Protection Agency will enforce the protection of this environment. We are banning stone mining, charcoal burning, firewood activities in the reserved forest area of Sugarloaf Mountain. The EPA will enforce that.
President Bio continues to say, government now don't agree for turn this place, who said the mudslide been happening as National Memorial Park.
We are converting this tragic scene into a National Tourist Memorial Park for reflection, as a memorial to all the victims of the tragedy. This national park will ensure that we remember all the victims of this national tragedy. As a proactive and responsive government, my government has endorsed the establishment of the National Disaster Preparedness and Management Agency, as we are the third most vulnerable country in the world at risk to adverse climate change.
His Excellency President Julius Maada Bio end up call on people for do things them we go make them bad thing here not happen again at the country. For the Society for Radio Democracy, Mohammed Sharif.
Now, so we go tell Mohammed Sharif, thank you for that report today. We give we. Before we talk about what happened, so we get a caller on the line. Make we just bring the caller one time. Yes, caller, your name and also the call from, please.
My name Dr. Abdullah Bundu Conte. I'm the call from Russia.
Yes, Dr. Abdullah Bundu from Russia. You get 1 minute, sir. Waiting na you won't take, sir.
You won't take, I really say the fisherman and do a very brave job, a very patriotic move. Then take the arrest, then trawler them. Well, the fishermen, them, even though they're not illiterate people, right? They don't show them patriotic, support for the government, right? Or whoever is in power. Now the government for support the people as well. And the only measure what the government for take right now, for sure say that then they in charge now for confiscate that trawler they would not take so. Then furthermore, then we take that trawler they will turn into a navy vehicle for me they able for combat. Then people who they can't take them fish or whatever, right? So now me won't take that no more in the meantime. All right?
Okay, thank you very much, sir.
You're welcome.
Yes, Senator, I want to bring you in now concerning all the things the way the president list will go happen. They don't figure out the red zone. We not be even no say UNOPS be able to see another imminent danger there ahead of Salone again. Forget another mudslide, but then we get for one the government, and the government say they don't take care of all them things then they and then come out with all them things how they don't come out with. What you take on this?
Well, actually, the president they talk tough. The only thing here is we need to say if you don't talk, then they will talk. It gets people where they put that into action because always he talks to. I remember this 2006 before they get the election. This place, you get this guy. At the one time that chimpanzee be lost up that place where they see the Babude lost. I think from that time that guy will get Takugama. We don't begin to talk see people that don't they go meet then at the zoo. People that don't they brush they go up. It can't that thing they be left going to death here. I remember I think in that area then they go kill that one Mr. Moore. When they go kill Mr. Moore, that because of what people they build and then cross the belt, the green belt. So like you go for going to stop there, not for go then you get a list of PCC. Begin tell people that not for business and they begin broke houses. People they use land they campaign against them. They call them about Minister of Brokos. And some of them see how the president is talking now. If they're able, the law enforcement agency, they put the talk the ONS, they're able to put that into action. Who let people then they? Now one thing no more announced the Gladio from this thing we don't happen last year. People they see the grumble, they able to get better accommodation, the money, they able to get some. That's the canal they say they can't do. You see, one thing when something happen, world in them part of the world, when something happen, this government is responsible for the citizens. When something happen, the first thing we declare for do that for make them people they comfortable. Because some of them people in the way don't lost. They don't lose their family, they don't lose their property, they only get a game. So you know what will give them 2 pain. You don't promise them say, okay, they can't give them a place to for the dog, and they do not so come on this place, they will come in. But again, no ask yourself. Them places in there, would that be the sell and give them people in there? Would that go make their people that go there and then place in there? You see? So if the government ready for make that place they now broke down then they make sure see they bring candle bells, that green belt, they bring a candle again. Let nobody not cross the green belt and they for go build outside the because when the disaster come, look, the country for the whole lot. Not today, nobody know able to tell. Maybe they expect to also maybe they expect to get the correct figure of people that within that ground day. Now NEC, because you know the NEC we just don't do registration. So NEC not able to tell you almost people they register up that side, they almost people they vote and inside and they like they don't know almost people they lost, but they nobody able to tell you the exact figure of people that we die. We just speculate more people that must be on the under. You see? And people that must be there, but how we able to do any head count? We able to know exactly almost the portion of the population of that day. So the current president they talk so I only hope so no more because anytime they talk now this should they do as a responsible government. I only hope so no more then we able to put it into action. And so the minister come there, the beginning radio, the talk Monday, the president will do this, they will pull the package. Then they let them just help them and transform and let them put that into action. I believe that if always they talk so, they put that into action, then definitely lawlessness and we will see better things for the country.
All right, make a bring Arun. Yes, Arun. You don't hear about all the things them. You even talk about say the red zone. 86 Ostende they don't build na the red zone. All the Ostende then get for Brokam, and also they don't put strict measures them, and then go see say EPA continue for enforce the rules then they. Yes, I waiting it takes sir.
You know, the reason why we get government now that all over the world, now that, you know, we mortal man, we by nature, we are kind of lawless. the reason we say they get people that will give the authority say you get for take control, put law in order. Now for let society live in an order fashion. You know, in we desire for get what we want. Sometimes we not do things the right way. Even with all the trouble with up in other places that mudslide. If people don't get them way, then go back. Go being at the very same way remains still there. You know, that's how we normally mortal mind. It's not just Leonians, it's just all over the world, even in advanced countries. People that we tend to be lawless. We need a very strong government. When you say this, not this, you know, this guy na Ghana, he lives as an example of that. Rawlings, you know, the Ghanaian economy been bad, you know, but he able telling people that let us stand with them, you know. So today Ghana not a very successful country in West Africa. People then get for follow and government get for, you know, sometimes just like we say, when government take action, government come for a very short period of time. So NIMEX sometimes when they feel say the electorate or the population not support some things that we then they do or we right, they no one lost support, they no one lost vote. But sometimes you get for do the right thing. Where in the long run people then will say, we criticize this government, but not the right thing they do. You know, because even when you give in to people their own desire, when trouble come at the end of the day, now you back then the blame. Oh, no one lost the support of the people of the general population. So I go do it and want me for do, or I go turn a blind eye to waiting and they do. But guess what? When it happen, to God now they take responsibility. I just hope this government way they now. You know, when we say government, because now the government they take the lead, because all them people that within now the administrative sector of all the government agencies, ministries, they are still there. You know, the thing with some man them they do, they still they do them. The government get for take a lead and for make them know say this now a different time and now a new direction. Then get for follow that. Now that this government get for do when they don't put law, you know, come what may, no matter what people think or waiting and feel, then therefore make sure so they carry it out at the end of the day. Now all that make we country still not they go before, because you know we always they look for the immediate, we not they look for the long run, we not they push for the long run. You know, I hope say they will do that this time around. They will push people them for follow waiting government say, and the government for make sure say people them follow waiting and say. I will stop so far.
Okay, make play this last one. We ending topic for today and waiting with the hope for the best for next week. Let me just listen to this particular clip.
Education. Free education? Yes, free education for government school and school the way government will help don't come na saloon.
If Fambul Kim member during the election we just done a salon, the salon people's party been promised for give free quality education to salon people them.
Well, team don't come for let that change from one na mouth to load na egg.
The President Julius Madabio go launch the free education policy Monday, August 20 this year na the Miata Conference Hall inside Freetown. And the theme for the launching na education for development.
Inside this big occasion, the Minister for Primary and Secondary Education, Honorable Alpha Timbo, go join on with other ministers them for tell salon people how the free education policy go work for all salon again.
Development partner them like UNICEF, European Union, DFID, World Bank, and plenty other one them go talk about how they go support the policy.
So fumble them na the word that all.
Free education don't come na salon.
Let we support Papa government for let you work for we picking them long time.
Education number 1, development number 2, knowledge and truth.
Yes, education on number 1, development on number 2. I think saying Nadande we dey hope for next week where the president go launch so Senesi. What are you last hopeful for next week and everything closing with what you just say, Isa?
Well, for next week, I believe the waiting will be the talk of the week by the grace of God. I believe saying that by Monday, the president will don't launch the package, what's in the inside, the full package. People will begin to say yes. The president mean what did they talk? What did the flagship program with education, and people will know whether the developing partners, the UNICEF and all the people and they, what thing that will be the role. Because one thing we all be look at, we all be look at say how this will be possible with all the fear. Who's that government they put the money now? Government say September. We all wait for a year and waiting would inside the package Monday. Waiting people they will expect so that people will not say yes, indeed, they don't come to truth. So everything they say here is whether will be believable or not be believable. If the president don't go pronounce and say this September it will happen. They don't first begin and say they pull the SS4. We don't pull them all the picking away go SS4. They all don't go back. They pay teacher them one month salary. They all this summer they don't go no side. Then they at school. Then they school back. Or let them go cope up a meet up. That's why they would say OT talk, and then the talk and say they pull them. So they don't pull according to what the minister said. Then the one shift. I think they start out with the provinces. I think the 2 shifts will still be within the western area because now they get, they get big school and they get local crowd. So like the provinces, I think they don't even try to forget the 1 shift for the province. And I believe that is going to be talk of the town. We just try to say let people put on order, let people send the picking and go school. Because I believe when then beaucoup of pickpockets, this that picking and this trading. If everybody send picking at school, we know say get for go school. You send them at school. Believe me, we go say the way come out school. They go down say I go in house. But if you not send picking at school, then maybe the thief, the drug pockets, the that everything beaucoup na street. You get street trading. Also you get people that when they create NGO, they say when they look for street picking there. Now because they're not sending to school, because they are not get money, you want to for it and not get time. Look like this man waiting to be the guy for talk, this labor was for this labor business. He get almost picking it. They're picking not get nothing for it. He get for gold, they're not well this that. But if you don't say you don't send it picking in a government school, government they pay, they do this, that, then it's more way they get then they left for them, you able to stick them. Then we look about the feeding. I believe say sometimes the feeding because the minister will say feeding Japan and the only thing they ask. Some of them feel our way, let them get quality food. The feeding, when they can't feed picking them, then they just go make any kind of they call go make one pot, go put them go picking it. Or else what you go happen again, they're going to eat paste, then they will go and host the sick. Because if your name will take care of this, then they will just ask that then we will give people the way committed, make people the way care. Because they say they won't be there with each condo. But that condo, they don't put up for you, we don't eat up, we reach now, it's not for sleep no more. Because it be really fine. OBD primary school, OBD each condo. It be really, really fine. You get people the way when a community people are the volunteers, then they start the other father the cow in the cow start ball go, then this and then get funny when they cook for winter school. So I only hope that people the way they go select or elect for the cook for them picking and they cook fine chop. And they will make fine food for them picking it. Let them take us in that they don't picking them, not for just go cook now because they say, now I'll just go cook any kind we say, not free, not for eat. Let them make us find, then the teacher they give because at the reason is that when the president will go for open the policewoman the school, and they try for talk to the teacher then. Let no teacher not take money in a picking hand. Just the quality say the president they talk tough, but then here always see. People are ready for put her into action. If the then see always president they talk, if the people are ready for put into action, believe me, in the next 3-4 years, Salon will take a different turn. Ogosi says, yes, you are not the group, but now we get for change the attitude. Now we get to put on like this president. If the president don't create a platform, now one thing I see from this particular government, it's like they don't give everybody get the political will for quick. The police they don't get their own political will because police not be the arrest anybody in a minister will book traffic or this that. President put statement. When the president pull that statement, that means that the police don't get the political will for arrest anybody will book traffic. Do you this? Then you see what it don't happen. But all the other side they don't the same. You know they take lawlessness, not fight against lawlessness. So everybody gets their role for play. I believe the president not will begin talk to others about left and I mean more than this. Let somebody go take the music. And if they do that, I believe in me, in the next 3-4 years, like I say, the country will take another step or go before. Say next week, Tennessee Burma, the state. Thank you very much, sir.
Okay, thank you, Senesi. Before I go bring Yusuf, we go cover the pot for we. Let's just bring in Aaron. Make you go say you hear the clip and waiting at you final one for today. Then Yusuf go can cover the pot for we.
Yeah, well, it's fine. Education at the way forward, not the we country, not the method by which we go prepare we human resources we will get when the greatest resource where every country gets. We all human beings, we all not talents. What the education do, they refine those talents, given where they see we get strength, whether in engineering, whether in math, whether in technical responsibility, whether in art. Now I make education good. Anybody will criticize education will say, they say, no man them bookman and dinner, so then they do, we not for lead to that. All them countries the way advanced, now countries the way the standard of education they high. We even in New York here, the state don't at some point for me say free education for people that we reside in New York or we don't live in New York for a particular time. But it takes time for that it take root. If they're not even completely implemented it in New York State here. I just did think about that. What thing that would mean for Sierra Leone we economy that bad. I just hope saying that there is good intention there on the part of the government, and then we follow through to that. But people then get for be patient, and education are the way forward. One very good example, you see, now education makes somebody like Barack Obama win Papa Como Kenya. Be president now America. Then look, they respect them for that. That man they cause some barriers they will not be ever caused as a result of education. Education I make a lot of things then they happen in our countries the way they're advanced countries, and then not that they not get mineral resources, they not get gold, they get gold and get diamond, but then we find a human resource by way of education. Then they do things then we the world they admire today. People like he make and say, oh well, Bill Gates he be drop out of school. Yes, he been drop out of school, but guess what? He been educated. He go back to school and he learn. Me say not being drop out, not be illiterate. People can misunderstand that, And what he been do na that garage, na a form of education. He educates himself. Say, education, no. Education they come in different form. If you're not carpenter, now that you learn, now then technical trading, people in one land, then get for Fenway, then get for do where people and go understand well. You take people like Chinese. The reason we make companies then be left advanced countries and then they go open factories and then countries and they like China where you go see something and they say made in China. Now because the Chinese then get the technical skill, then train them people them with the technical skill for let them go able to take up their job then they, so we therefore give priority to education. I hope say the government, the plan we then get that will work well and then we'll follow through. Thank you.
Thank you very much to Harun Rashid. Then bring in Yusuf. Yes, Yusuf. Cover the pot for Wisa. You get the platform.
Right on. I just want to say thank you to the contribution them so far. And I listen on and off. I don't be why interrupt that I make an not come in. But as far as I know, Arun and Tennessee, from which I hear from them, now just waiting you need to make the country go before. Education, they choose area. Education is fundamental human right. In any shape or form, the one way you learn them, as long as you learn something, you're able to implement it in your life or improve your life or improve your surrounding. That's a big plus standing. And for make any government, regardless of outside in day or the time when they finish it, any government will take the initiative for put education at the forefront. If they're able to implement them, they're able to execute them, and take them for make the people that benefit from them. You go see the trajectory it go turn that country there, it go turn into the to the future way we all hope for. And here's what the other thing I want to answer, and I'll make it quick. Africa and as a whole, we get the youngest population in the world right now. And by 2050, we go be the highest populated continent in the world. This is a fact. All you need to do, anybody will want to check this, make it go now world the UN site and check other world sites them. The number of people and the number of young people we get per day in Africa by 2050, both young girl and young boy them. No part of the world no go get that kind of population there. Well, just imagine if education not take hold within this next 30 years. What that go mean for Africa? It will be total anarchy if people then just they come, they don't get education. People they come, they enable implement things for feed them or for advance their lives them. Now we know we want for a for happen. But lo and behold, if we get the sectors in any government where they look at education as a paramount issue and put it at the forefront, as they say, put it at the number one, and then development will come. I promise you, development will come if education did. You see the diamond. The diamond, not just a rock with a name on it. I call it a rapper. Diamond, na saloni day. Now, would that make it be diamond today? Now, education. Now, somebody who educated, they look at me, say, this thing is shiny. Make a shape them from this improved state way they. We can make them fine. Education.
Exactly, very good example.
Exactly. If not your education, a diamond is just another piece of rock. They're just another piece of rock. But education don't give somebody the talent to make it look this shiny piece of rock and shape them. And you shape them. You shape them and you make them in different forms and bring them come back to market. Look the amount of education we don't take place. From the time we don't mine and the utility we they use for mine and the machinery we they use, they expatriate the knowledge and come back to market. The education for bringing them come, the shape them, make them into jewelry, make them into ornaments, and bring them come back. You see, the education just to go. Now a cycle will not ever end. So imagine if we look at Salon today, the beginning within our school, these are the brains of tomorrow. Now they entertain anybody if they able to support any school, like a small town, like a small community. If you get one bubble, where they support, take them. If now Walmart you buy small bag for them, load 15 books in there. If you see somebody where they go to Africa again, say give this for this bubble. If you take them, you go, you encourage them, say not to make you go, look your school, go to school. If that person they go catch tomorrow, go big. Look at the world stage. We get boku talent in Africa. But just imagine if we diversify Andy from just one or two brains at one small community to multiple like we see now. Imagine how that place they go turn. With the riches what we get without education, they will just be pondered and misused. So I hail any education push where any government will take or improve the lives of the people. kudos to them. Kudos to you, Tripoli, and the rest of this crew. Till next week, stay healthy and God bless.
All right, thank you very much to you, Yusuf Emba from Atlanta, and Aruna Shidin from New York, and Senesi Brahma from Paris. Thank you, guys.